What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play The Remedy for a Broken Heart by XXXTentacion. After you're done with the video, make sure to check the description below. There's a lot of really useful links that I put there for you guys, including my personal email. That way you can get in contact with me if you guys have any more questions or concerns about a particular tutorial. There's some other useful guitar links down there, and also my personal music is posted down there as well if you guys want to check that out. Without further ado, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, so we're starting off with capo on your first fret. Your chords are going to be A minor to G to F. But so your A minor is your index finger on your B string, that's your second string from the top. Index finger first fret on your B string, middle finger on your second fret on your D string, and then your ring finger on your second fret on your G string. Now your G chord, we're going to play it like this. We're going to play with your middle finger on your second fret on your A string, your ring finger on your third fret on your bottom E string, and then your pinky finger on your third fret on your high E string. But really, I mean, you really don't even need to play your high E, so you can really just do these two fingers here, because you're going to be plucking this string, your B string, not your bottom or your high E string. Then your F chord, this one's going to be a little bit different. So normally you would play an F like this, but we're taking you're not going to have your index finger on, so all it's going to be is your middle finger on your G string on your second fret, your ring finger on your third fret on your A string, and your pinky finger on your third fret on your D string. That's gonna give it that dissonance there. Now the notes that you're picking in between your chords, so after you pick your A chord, you're putting your pinky on your third fret on your B string. That's that next note. Then to your G. Now the next note in between those chords is back to your first fret on your B string, the same place that your hand was when you're making the A minor chord. So it's third fret to your G, first fret to that weird F chord. Now those dissonant chords you're picking are just, it's going to be the string that your middle finger is on, which is your G string, and then the open B string, your second one from the top, the open one. That's what creates that dissonance. So your fingers for your A minor chord are picking your A, which is open, that's the second string, and then your G string with your index finger, and your B string with your middle finger. And then I use my middle finger to pick that in between note with my pinky on the third fret, so it'll be, and then to your G. And then you're picking the same strings, except your thumb, instead of picking the A, is going to pick your low E. So here, pick. Same way, I use my middle finger to pick that next in-between note. And then you're going to be the same way, your middle finger and your index finger are going to pick the same strings. But you only pick with your thumb and your index finger on the start of this chord, so that you can so you can start making that dissonance with your middle finger. So it'll be like. So again, when we get to this chord, we only pick with our index and our thumb, two strings, which is your A string and your G string. And then with your middle finger is when you start the dissonance. So I'm going to play the whole thing very, very slowly. So we're here. Now again, you're just using your middle finger and your index finger to alternately pick your B string and your G string. So again, very slowly. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. This one is a little bit more of an intermediate style song, especially with the finger picking. So it can be frustrating at first if you've really never done that before. So just keep practicing, keep watching the video. Repetition is key, and before you know it, you'll be playing The Remedy for a Broken Heart by XXXTentacion. As always, if you liked the video, if it helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any further questions, comments, concerns, or any other songs you want me to teach you, just leave those in the comment section below. Make sure you check the video description. There's a lot of useful links in there for you guys, as well as my personal music and my personal email address for you to get in contact with me, and we'll see you guys in the next video.